Welcome back to my channel. People, Michelle come out again. Yeah, me that walk past my yard and me hear them say, I talk about Michelle and I'm going to cover Michelle yard and me realize that Michelle come out again, yeah. But she calm and know, yeah. Baby born, no. So we have to go do some kind of DNA reveal to see how we pick them belong to. Yeah. So that's what next thing on the cards. But we're not going to that today. Yeah, one of that day we talk about that one day. Let's go back to yesterday. Yes. And so yesterday me not telling about say somebody did tell me say it's good to advertise my business upon the social media space. And me thought, yeah, it's true, you know. Me a billionaire already, you know, a millionaire, you know. Me a billionaire, me no mind become trillionaire, yeah, really cool, yeah, it go already, yeah, the more you get, the more you want, yeah. So, I thought it's a good idea. And the woman tell me, say me have to cuss pick on certain people because them have big audience and so on, so thing. So, me did say me can't cuss. So, me I go, get some people for cuss, regroup some people for cuss for me. Cause she tell me, one woman for pick pan, yes. So, one of the people, me surprised, come forward and tell me, say then we cuss. Some say they don't want to pay, but then we cuss because cake have to sell, yes. And so then tell me, then say, cake have to sell. One of them come and say, cake have to sell. You want another one come, another little one come and say, you don't need nobody to cuss for you because your business is booming. Yes. She just wants special offers. Yes. And some more come and say make business turn up because me I soak in a barrel and other people are soak in a bucket. And so then tell me say my business turn up. Yes. Me know say my business turn up already. Yeah, my business turn up. Yeah. So but the woman, let me listen good now. The woman will come and tell me, say, me fi advertise and do things. Cause me a woman, me not just listen to people. Me go do me research. And when me do me research, me shock. Because me thought this person was a good person, But I set the woman, set me up, yeah. She has set me up, yes. Me find out that she setting me up. I set me up, man, yeah, because me find out that the lady down at 876 person what she tell me about, and the man at England and the woman over by America, she not like them. So she want me to cuss them. She don't like me, them listen to me good, so she want me to cuss them. And how me find out now, it's like God tell me to go back over there. We talked to her yesterday. When we go over our shop, he said the shop will be closed for business on the 9th of the 8th, 2023. No website orders until further notice. Pending orders has been sent. You know, listen, I think me shock. Me nearly fall down. Because me thinking, my God, it's like God lead me over there to go look, Because me then go start start the bar rolling and then get in a big trouble, As social media people like to set you up. Yes, so anyway. When we go over there, the woman in America, we go look in a fair shop. Me see one woman call herself Dimes Millionaire. And me thought to myself, Dimes Millionaire. Me see that woman here before. And when me see her, she say, she buy 3 cake. I think a 3 cake, she said she buy. A 3. She buy some cake anyway. But the main thing I want to tell you about now. She said the lady cake over America tastes nice, and she said the man of England tastes nice. Listen, I was very annoyed with the man of England because she said red velvet cake. And when me hear red velvet cake, me thought, I don't think it look like the man thief my recipe because I me first one come out here on a lesson with red velvet cake. I know in send red velvet cake from England, gone America. Yeah. Thief my recipe and my ideas, you can't give them too much about your recipes and your ideas over, on social media. If you tell them too much, they will steal your ideas, yes. So me was very upset. Me thought to myself, look red velvet cake, me don't hear nobody else talk about red velvet cake. I know them thief my recipe. So, yeah, the lady said the cake them taste good. So anyway, after that, now me go down England go look in a film shop now. And me see all kind of things. And then look the decoration, me see 150th cake and me thought, no sir. I don't know if me can compete, but me still I go try. Yes. Because the person said, even if you can't compete, you must still try because sometimes you will be able to draw them out and then you put on the pity party and then the people then we order them the cake. So people know about me too. Yeah, me not gonna put on no pity party sticker. Me no need to do that. But people will know of me because me on social media, then we hear about me and come look and then we order my things. Yeah, so I saw it go and then we come at my restaurant. Come a restaurant too, me put that out there. No, yeah, me a restaurant and people will come to my restaurant to look and they will buy things and then will come to my wine stores and all them things there. Yeah, but no, the lady down at Jamaica. Me not trouble her. Yeah, she a go on good from what me look like she a soak her things them as food them and all and something they ready for cake season, she say, and so on. Yeah, but that woman there, yeah, me wouldn't want trouble nobody down at little Jamaica, to be honest. Yeah, foreign me them, me wouldn't want trouble. I mean I work at things, me don't want trouble nobody down at little Jamaica. This woman, when we go over there go look a big audience she have a watch her. Yes, we have a people a watch her. And another thing, me find out say she go to city at Zion. Yeah, me no trouble people who go to Zion. Yeah, me not trouble nobody who go to Zion. So me not go there so. Nah, go there so can't trouble people down at Jamaica. But see a house turn up, Yeah, when me see her things them in her kitchen and her ceiling light and in her bedroom and things, when me watch some look past some my video, then me thought that far remain there, But then me realize that Jamaica, yeah, she look like she had gone good down there. Yeah, you had look better than some of my people them are foreign. And so me I go say, yeah, look better than for them. So me get to find out that these 3 people, the lady no like, yeah, that lady will give me advice and a good job, me not stupid, yeah. So it was a lesson learned, but me smarter than some of the people on social media. Me always do my research and find out, say, that then can't set me up, yeah. But yeah, my things them turn up over here, yeah. Some people say me things them turn up because most people are bucket and me I sort my fruit them in a barrel and me have all kind of things over here. Yes, so place on the orders, yes, and we'll get to the tracking number. Don't forget foreign woman fi come, yeah, cake fi come, yeah. So if you go to foreign woman cake fi come, you see everything. You can order wine, you can book on the restaurant, you got the link for the restaurant and also, the wine store, anything you can order. We are all kind of things we have over there. So yeah, so do no order on the thing, you won't be disappointed. My cakes them taste very good, tastes better than everybody cake, yeah. I do nice cakes. My decoration, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think my decoration is as good as the one me did looking at the shop down at England. I'm gonna be honest, I think you can decorate good. but my cakes taste very good. Yes, I get very good reviews. You know, see also my reviews on the website. So you go look on there and see. Yeah, my cake. Yeah, foreign woman cakes to come. Okay, so stay tuned. Yes, so I'm ready. I was thinking of pulling out of this cake thing, but no. I think I like the little thing, Yeah. So, I that me I go to know.